In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix error 113. Let's get started. First, force close the app completely. Then relaunch the Netflix app. Then try streaming again. If that does not work, sign out of your Netflix account. And then wait for a few minutes and sign back in. Next, restart your device by turning it off completely and turning it back on. You should also restart your modem and Wi-Fi router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds before reconnecting them. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. In case you are connected, disable it. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Netflix. If you see the option of update, click on it. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. If the error persists, completely delete the Netflix app from your device and then reinstall it. Finally, if none of these solutions works out for you, you can contact Netflix support for the additional assistance. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.